guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just thought of doing this first impression kind of a review video. By the way, I'm looking like this because I was actually filming that viral blush technique video for my reels, and after that I'm gonna finish it up. So this is my half face done. I have my full base on. By the way, I just love that technique, really good, and really expected that I'm gonna love that technique. Anyways, so in today's video I am going to do a first impression trying out the Sugar Wonder Woman collection. This is a PR set that they sent me. So I have one eyeshadow palette and a few lipsticks. This is like really bad angle, but I have few lipsticks as well, which I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. In this collection they have this palette, which I suppose is a face and eye palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Also, they forgot to send me few lipsticks as well, which I don't mind, but the lipstick that I have is right over here. So they have sent me 4 liquid lipstick and 4 bullet lipsticks. Let's talk about this particular product and the packaging. I don't really love the packaging. Like, this is very flimsy. It's made with some kind of cardboard. I don't know what it is, but this is not looking very long lasting, and I am not a big fan of this kind of packaging. Though you have a mirror in it, which is really great. The mirror is big enough and it's good, but the packaging is very flimsy. Like, I don't know, I am not a big fan of this kind of packaging. It's like very uncomfortable. Anyways, it comes with 2 brush like this, which is of no use, and it comes with few eyeshadow and a blush, bronzer and a highlighter, I suppose. And to be very honest, the packaging is really bad because I think they have wasted so much space here. I think I'm not going to reach out to this product more just because of the packaging. But let's just skip packaging and talk about the formula of the product. You have 3, I think, very beautiful glittery shimmer shade, and then you have one single shimmer shade right over here. Here also, this is a matte shade, not completely matte. It's kind of a shimmer and matte mixed here, and here you have a complete matte red shade. By the way, the pigmentation is quite good. And here you have a blush where you can see it's not a matte blush. It contains few glitter kind of particles in it, like not too much, but it is looking quite shimmery. And then you have a matte bronzer and a very beautiful big highlighter. So yeah, let's start with eye makeup first. So obviously I'm going to start with the red shade, which is right over here. The pigmentation is really nice. Apply it right over here on my outer section. It blends really well, like so good. I really love a Sugar eyeshadow formula. They are really good. A little bit pricey, but the formula, the pigmentation, all are really good. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye makeup look. I went all glam. Anyways, to be very honest, the formula of this palette is really good. I really loved it, and if you say is it worth the money, I think it is. you can absolutely go and purchase it because of the formula. I will not complain about the packaging just because of the formula. And the formula is really unique, especially the shimmer and the metallic shades. They are like really beautiful. Don't love the packaging though. And now I'm just going to apply the blush, and I'm gonna see how it, though I have a little bit of blush on my face, but I haven't applied anything on top. So I'm gonna obviously use this one. Oh my god, this is really pigmented. This is really pigmented. Okay, this is a beautiful coralish kind of a blush, and it is very pigmented, so keep that in mind. You can use it as your eyeshadow as well. It is really pigmented, but it is a very beautiful soft, like, and it is also giving me a beautiful glow as well. So really nice. It's not something glittery or something like that. I'm just going to quickly swatch it because you can obviously not see. So this is the color of the blush. It is a very beautiful coral peachy kind of a shade, and as you guys can see, it contains a beautiful shimmer shift to it as well. So yeah, bronzer looks like, but I don't think it will work good on darker skin tones. But yeah, okay, this is like, I can see a lot of fallout here. Okay, I don't love the bronzer shade though. It's like very ashy. It contains a very cool undertone, and I am personally a warm undertone kind of a person when it comes to bronzers and stuff like that. So I don't really love the shade, but if you are into cool tone blush, I think you're gonna love it. The shade is like a little bit ashy for me somewhere. It's a very beautiful soft blush. It's not like highly pigmented, or it's not very sheer as well. It's a very soft, subtle kind of a blush. I can see a lot of fallout here and there with the shadows as well, but it's like minimal, not too much. So yeah, I will obviously say that the eyeshadow and the blush is really good rather than the bronzer. I don't think the bronzer is like, will get anything from me. I don't feel like it's something extraordinary. And now I'm gonna use the highlighter. I'm just going to, okay, wow, oh my god, this is intense. Okay, this is intense. Obviously I picked up a lot of product, but this is so pretty. I am in love with this highlighter. It's so beautiful. The shade 02, I think they have few more shades, so you can check it out. If you don't want to use, if you don't like the bronzer or the blush shade, you can check out the other ones. I have this one in 02, which I think is like the shadows, the blush and the highlighter is like 9 out of 10 for me. Really good. But the bronzer was a little bit thumbs down, because I don't think it is something I will reach for, just because the shade is quite ashy. And for the highlighter, it's a very intense highlighter, not something for every day, of course. It's very intense, and even if you apply a little bit, it contains like intense metallic shimmer in it. So I don't think it's something for you every day. But if you are someone like me, I love intense highlighters, you can definitely go for it, especially for bridal looks or party looks. This is going to be really good. And for the entire palette, I am gonna rate this palette a good 7 out of 10. And if I will recommend this or not, yes, you can give it a try. It is not that bad, but the packaging and everything is like a 0 from me. I seriously didn't like the packaging. And the palette costs for rupees 999. So give it a shot if you want to. You have eyeshadows and face products as well in this. So yeah, let's talk about the lipsticks. First, I am going to show you guys some swatches. So this is in the shade 04, which is known as Power. I'm gonna first swatch the Bullet lipsticks. For the lipstick, you have to twist it, and here's the packaging. The packaging is quite good. It's like not a cheap plasticky kind of a packaging. It's very, very good and nice. I'm gonna swatch this shade on the back of my hand. As you guys can see, it's very creamy, very pigmented, and it's a beautiful coral kind of a shade. And yeah, the next shade is known as 06, which is known as Punch. You have to twist it and then it will open. It's a very beautiful purplish kind of a shade. Again, very creamy, very pigmented, such a pretty color. If you are into purple lipsticks and stuff, this is going to be your best friend because it's quite wearable as well. Then I have 03, which is Majesty. It's also similar to that, but it contains more pink, and this contains more purple undertone. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch it side by side. As you guys can see the difference, it contains more pink in it and it contains more purple in it. So this is known as 03. And the last Bullet lipstick that I have is 05, and it's a pure red shade. This is what it looks like. It's not a very red wine or blood red kind of a color. It's more into a pinkish undertone kind of a red, which is good, not bad. Now let's talk about the liquid lipstick. First shade is 09, which I think is my favorite shade because this is a very beautiful it's a very beautiful pink nude kind of a shade. So I'm just going to swatch this shade right over here. This is what the shade looks like. This is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful pinkish nude kind of a color, very, very pretty. Now I have the shade 05, which is a red, I suppose. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. It's a red, but it's more deeper than the Bullet lipstick red. It's more blood red, and the Bullet lipstick red was more pinkish undertone kind of a red. Now I have the shade 07, which I think is a pure coral kind of a shade. By the way, the packaging is also really good for the liquid lipstick. It looks very like royal kind of a thing. Yeah, this is a peachy coralish kind of a shade, and this is in the shade 07. And the last lipstick that I have is 01, which is a plum shade, I think, and it looks something like this. For darker skin, I think this is really, really good. Like the red and this one will be really good, and for fair to medium skin you can choose this shade, but this is like your personal preference. I don't really love this color. Okay, so I am going to use 09, which is my favorite shade, with this look. This is what the shade looks like, and the formula is drying. I am not a big fan of the liquid lipstick formula. It's like the same sugar lipstick formula. I said this before as well. I am not a big fan of sugar liquid lipsticks, but yeah, it's like, see, it's very, very drying, and it's going to crack easily, I know that. But this formula is really good. It's very creamy, very unique kind of a formula, matte, but still it's like a comfortable formula. So if you want to purchase the lipstick and if you don't want a drying formula, I think go for the Bullet ones. But rather than that, the liquid lipsticks are like a little bit drying, and it dries pretty fast as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And the problem with this drying lipstick is this thing right over here, which is very annoying to me. I really hate when this happens while applying a drying liquid lipstick. Anyways, this is what my entire face looks like using the Sugar Wonder Woman collection. This entire collection I'm gonna give 6 out of 10. 6 out of, not 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 maybe, because the collection was pretty good. The collection, they was very thoughtful as well. The color, the shades were really good, but I just thought that the liquid lipstick formula will be a little bit different, but no, it's the same formula that they have. Yeah, the face palette is also a good one if you want to try it out, because you have so many options right over here. You have eyeshadows, you have face products as well. For the lipsticks, you can obviously try out the liquid lipsticks if you are a really big fan of Sugar liquid lipsticks, but rather than that, I am going to prefer the bullet lipsticks more than the liquid lipsticks, because the bullet lipsticks are not shiny or something like that. It's also matte, but the formula is good. Also, the liquid lipstick, this is not a lightweight liquid lipstick. It's very heavy on the lips, and it feels very heavy as well, so do keep that in mind. And that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed and find this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.